The Audi RS6, an absolute beast of the roads and an absolute riot to drive, now with the looks to match. My name's Amir, welcome to today's video on the CBS Automotive channel, and today we are looking to this absolutely beautiful Audi RS6.
You will never make me cry.
So what we've installed on this Audi RS6 is a Maxton Design body kit. So that includes your front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser and spoiler, giving a really complete and beautiful look to this Audi RS6. Now, we absolutely love the Maxton kits here at CBS. They are so sleek looking, fit perfectly, and have so many options for so many different cars, where I'm a big fan of how it's all turned out on this RS6. Now, this client gave us free rein to kind of find what would work on the car, what we think would suit the vehicle and give it that kind of subtle but still aggressive look. Now, at the front of this Audi, we have the Maxton Design front splitter. It's a really nice bit of kit and suits the bodywork really, really nicely. I love how it's come out. And again, tying that in with the side skirts give a really complete solution and giving this car the finishing touches it needs. Now, there's so many other visual upgrades we can add to these cars, such as window tinting, and as well as that, of course, the detailing and PPF. Now, that makes a huge difference to cars like these and gives them the little finishing touches that makes them stand out from the rest. Now, if you're interested in having a similar installation done on your vehicle, feel free to get in contact with myself or my team, and we will find the best solution for you and your vehicle. Now, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. My name's Amir, and feel free to subscribe and like to this one if you have enjoyed. Now, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.